quick tour inside. Originally didn't plan to have a garage, but we decided to build one anyway, so I can tinker with the cars and stuff. So basically all your engines, JZ engines and stuff will be sitting in there for shipping to the UK. Here's our front door. I'll go in via our bedroom on the left. So this is our main bedroom. Through this door towards the toilet. Unfortunately there's no lights or anything like that. This is Joy's walk-in wardrobe. And then this takes us into the bathroom, this door. Apologize for the dark. Mirror. It's a bit dark in here already. It's just like a wet room basically. Out into the bedroom, into the main living area. As you can see, it's quite a size. We have in groove roof, we do have LED lights hidden in the back of there, so it'll light up like a laser beam thing around the square of the roof. This is bedroom number 3, the smallest out of the lot of them. The doors are a bit stiff, they need a bit of work and stuff. This is bedroom number 2, which currently has an old wardrobe laid in it, which we're probably going to replace. This one's a bit bigger. There's an old house out at the back, which will be getting removed later. In the back will be all getting made into a garden by the wife. That's her domain, nothing to do with me. Here's the bathroom, which is just basically a replica with a black wall of the other bathroom. You might wonder where the kitchen is. So the kitchen was built onto the side of the house. There was a house here originally which got an extension. I don't have details of this, so the walls are all tiled. It's like English brickwork on the side, a window going through, front door. It's all cement blocked Thai style kitchen with a bit of a modern twist on it. Got a big heater and some decorative lights. Big sink, a door on the side, and then a door that you can go right outside into the patio and towards the garage. There's still a lot of work in the garage to go. We're going to be putting a wall up the side just now. We're going to leave this side open and we're going to close the very last bay off to be like a workshop / storage area. That pretty much is a tour of the house, which in terms of cost of extending and everything was probably less than a 1-2 bedroom flat in the centre of Aberdeen City. And this is 3 bedrooms with a fair bit of area, all outside. On the right is ours as well, which is all going to get cleared away, and the wall is like an L shape. You can see it all goes down there to shape, that's all ours as well. So this is all going to get levelled off and cleared. Joy is going to be growing stuff over on the right. She does have another 5 acres of land not far away, which I will show in another video. But hope you enjoy seeing the house, and soon hopefully we can fill it with some cool cars and whatnot. Catch you later, guys.